Hello friends, welcome to Vishwa's Voice. I warmly welcome you all to our channel. In this video, we will be diving into fundamentals of mathematical formulas, whether you are a student or just someone looking to brush up on your math skills. We will break down the essential concepts behind the key formulas, explain their origins and show you how to apply them in various problems. By the end, you will have a solid foundation to tackle more complex mathematical challenges. Let's get started. Hey everyone, before we dive into today's video, I just want to take a quick moment to thank today's sponsor, BuyMote Shopping app. BuyMote e-shopping application is one of the online shopping app. BuyMote shopping app has been a huge support for this channel and I am excited to tell you a little bit about what they do. If you are looking for buying grocery and staple collections online to get this lesser and discounted price than other supplier, then this is the perfect fit for you. I have personally been using BuyMote products having a very good quality and delivering it to your home step wherever you are. I will leave all the details in the description below, so check it out after this video. Alright, let's jump into today's topic. Thank you so much for watching. We hope this video helped you gain a clear understanding of fundamental mathematical formulas and how they come into play in various problems. Remember, mastering these basics is the first step towards tackling more complex concepts, and we are glad to be a part of that journey with you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share with others who might be benefited. We would also love to hear your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing. Bye bye.